Hey, welcome to 88 Tuition, and now we are going to participate in one of these very popular math PSLE question in 2023, talking about the trapezium. Let's take a look at this question together, shall we? So the figure is a trapezium. Angle PQR and QPS are right angles. All right, it means that this angle here is a 90 degrees, and this angle here is also a 90 degrees. The perimeter means the outline of this trapezium is 96. All right, so where's the perimeter? Children, follow me. All right, so we have this portion which is called the green. All right, the green plus the red plus the black. Say black. Very good. Plus the blue. Say blue. That will give you the outline, which is called the perimeter at 96 centimeter. Are you clear? All right, so we are going to use some color coding in order to enable us to see this question more clearly. All right, reading on. 3 identical trapeziums are arranged into this figure as shown on the left. The perimeter of this figure is 204. Hey, where is the 204? Come, children, follow me again. The green plus the green plus the red, say red, red, plus the black, say black, black. Oh no, this portion is what? I don't know. Never mind, let's skip it first. Continue the outline, plus the green, say green, green, and the red, followed by the black, all right, and eventually the red up here, all right. And of course, this portion here, which I'm going to circle it. All right, I'm going to circle it yellow, or is it orange? All right, so this will make up the entire outline. Where is the outline? Here, follow me. Green, green, red, black, yellow, green, red, black, red. That will be the outline, and it is 204 centimeter. Do you understand? All right. As I say, this portion is a little bit confusing. All right, because this portion, is it belonging to the black or is it belonging to the blue? All right, because there's a what? There is a overlap taking place over here. So when there's an overlap taking place, things are a little bit challenging. All right, but very simple. Don't worry, we have the color coding already. Let's go into the question deeper. Can you see this? Archer, where's the color? Yes, you're right. All right, so before putting in the colors again, right, I'm going to try to, yes, put a little bomb here to explode. Kaboom! All right, kaboom, this figure over here. All right, that doesn't look like a bomb. It's okay. All right, and it will look something like this. Wow, not only is it exploded, can you see the divider? All right, can you see that it's divided already? Yeah. And can you see the color coding? Correct. And I did say, this special portion, we are supposed to focus. All right, because as you can see, the top portion, all right, it is actually part of like the first trapezium. The super long is called the black, right? This is like the super long. However, the third trapezium, right, which is down here, all right, the PQ itself, the dark blue, is actually found down here. All right, so as you can see, this black color, right, is actually made out of the blue plus the orange, or is it yellow? Let's call it orange, can you see not? Can you see the black color, this portion here? All right, the black color, this portion, is actually made up of the blue plus the orange. So say after me. Black equal blue plus orange. Black equal blue plus orange. Very good. All right. So what are we going to do next? We are trying to give every black color a blue plus orange. All right. So it will look something like this. Check this out. Can you see that? All right. So initially this was the black, right? Right, the black is like the longest line down here. All right, the black is like the longest line QR. Can you see? Then I give it a blue plus orange. I give it a blue plus orange. Can you see? All right, similarly down here is the overlap portion. Remember the clue. This is where the clues lies. All right, the black line, all right, is actually the whole thing here. All right, I give it a what? A blue plus orange. Can you see? This actually was the black line also. All right, but I give it a blue plus orange. So now, children, can you see? Can you see what am I doing already? All right, come, children, let's do this. So down here, from here, we have the clue. We have the clue saying that the perimeter is 96. So the perimeter is what? It's actually made out of one green, right? One green plus what? One red, right? Plus what? One black, right? But now the black is actually made out of the blue and the blue, right? So can I say that it's actually two blues plus what? Plus one orange. Like that. Can I do that? Can you follow? So it's like the one green plus the one red plus two of this blue and the orange. It makes up a perimeter of 96 centimeter. All right, children. What do you see? Can you see that there are about 3 complete trapezium there? So can we just look for 3 of the trapeziums in terms of the perimeter? Can we just do that or not? Huh? So we can do something called times 3. All right, everybody times 3. All right, everybody times 3. All right. So we are supposed to kind of look for 3 trapeziums because that's like the only thing I can do now. All right, simple reason because there are 3 trapezium here lah. Huh? Right. So if I have 3 of it, what will happen? All right, that means I will have 3 greens, you know. Huh? That means I will also have 3 reds, you know. Right. Oh, 2 blue, 2 blue, If got 2 blue down here, all right, 2 blue down here, okay, but I got 3 of it, 3 of such trapezium, that means 2 times 3 is, that means got 6 blue. All right, and the orange, I will have times 3. I got 3 of this orange. And of course, the grand total of 96, I also need to times 3. Does it make sense? Because got 3 of the trapezium. So using my amazing calculator, 96 times 3 is a 288 centimeter. So this is the first clue that I think that is important. Is that okay? All right. So moving on. Children, come on, stay with me. What do you see? You see another clue, which is this. All right. The perimeter of this figure, all right, is 204. And what is made up of 204? That's your question. Come, children, let's follow. Look, let me start off with this portion here. So I have 1 green, 2 green, 3 green. Can you see? So 3 green plus what? All right, let's go down to the red portion. Let's go. 1 red, 2 red, 3 red, 3 red. All right, plus what? All right, how many blues do I have? Children, be careful. Be careful. All right, we are looking at the outline. 204 is the outline. We have 1 blue, 2 blue, and that's it. 2 blues. Can you see or not? Plus, how many orange do we have? We have 1 orange, 2 orange, 3 orange, 3 of this. And the question say that is equal to what? It's equal to 204 centimeter. All right, children, for those who are a little bit lost, don't worry. Let me show you where the 204 is. Follow me, come. The green plus the green plus the red plus the blue plus the orange plus the orange plus the green plus the red plus the blue plus the orange plus back the red. Can you see? So this blue over here, and this blue over here is not counted. How come? Because when you talk about the perimeter, we are talking about the outline. Follow the green, the red light. Can you see? That is called the outline. All right. And what do you see, children? What do you see? All right. This is the exciting part. All right. You have to compare your 288 here with your 204. Obviously, right? Okay. So what do you have? Sometimes it's a bit too far, right? You might want to put the 288 on top of this particular colors, all right? So that you can see a little bit more clearly, all right? And trying to avoid any carelessness. Can you see something already, children? All right, once I put things side by side, actually top by top and bottom, you can see something very clear. Can you see? Can you see the top number, right? The top set, all right, is actually more than the bottom set. Yes. So if I take the top 3G minus 3G, no more G. 3 red minus 3 red, no more red. 6 blue minus 2 blue, I'm actually left with 4 blue. Nice. 3 of this orange minus 3 of this orange, you're left with what? Nothing. And on top, we have 288 minus 204. Can you see that you are actually finding what is 4 blue? All right, 4 blue is 288 minus 204. That will give you a 84. 84. All right, and I will always look for 1 blue first. So 1 blue is equal to 84 divided by 4. And the answer will give you a what? A 21 centimeter. That is for 1 blue. Children, what is 1 blue? Check this out, children. 1 blue is actually PQ, right? This is PQ, is the 1 blue, right? Yeah. And aren't you looking for PQ? All right, so you successfully found PQ, which is equal to 21 centimeter. Woohoo! All right, so children, for this type of question in 88 tuition, we always try to use color to try to group them. All right, group them in different sets, and we try to write out in a way, these are what we call equations. All right, and we can do a comparison. Things will be much more easier this way. Can you see that? Learn to appreciate the colors, children. Can? All right, so moving forward, we know that PQ is 21 cm. There is a part B. All right, moving forward. So we know that PQ is a 21 cm. This one is a 21 cm. Let me put it back in. Can? Let's take a look at the part B. 4 identical trapeziums are arranged into this figure shown on the left. Oh, yeah, like that, like an L shape. The area of this figure is 1932 cm squared. Area means what? Area means the inside, which means down here, inside, here, all right, down here, everything is 1932 cm squared. You're supposed to find the length of PS. PS was the what? Remember? If you remember color? Green. Very smart. PS is the green. All right. SR is the red. QR is the black. All right. Which is also made up of the what? The blue, right? And the blue and the orange. Remember this? Which is made up of the blue and the orange, right? Very good. You guys got very good memory. And also this is by itself the blue. Chill, why are you telling me this? Of course, part B is related to part A lah. All right, children. So usually if you can do part A, right, the chances of you securing part B will be so super high. All right, which means vice versa lah. All right, if your part A, you didn't manage to do it, your part B, you'll be losing a lot of marks. All right, but again, don't worry. You try to do something. Try to secure 1 or 2 marks, maybe got some working marks. All right, so you can try your best to secure marks even though you didn't get part A correct. All right, you have to be motivated. You have to push on. Don't worry about that. Can? So you're looking for PS, which is you're supposed to look for green. Is that okay? All right, same thing, same thing. What do? Give them the color coding. Check this out. I'm going to drop another small bomb. Kapaboom! Wow. Not bad, yeah? All right. All right, so looking at this, the color is the same as the previous. All right, the color is the same as the previous. Okay, so what do you see? All right, I see that 1932, okay, actually represents what? These 4 trapezium, right? But can you see that actually, right, 2 of the trapezium makes up a what? Oh, very good. You can see that it makes up a rectangle. Yeah. And the thing is, you know what is PQ? PQ was what? PQ was 21 centimeter, right? So this is 21 centimeter. Right? This is 21 centimeter, which means can you easily find this dark red over here? Can? I think you have a chance. All right. So instead of taking 1932 divided by 4 to find 1 trapezium, can I purposely find area of 2 trapezium? Can I do it? Of course I can. All right. Since 4 trapezium, area of 4 trapezium is 1932. All right. Area of 2 trapeziums, you divide by 2. That will be good. All right, if you divide by 4, right, it will give you the area of 1 trapezium. But if you divide by 2, it will actually give you the area of 2 trapezium. All right, and this is in cm squared. So area of 2 trapezium is 966 cm squared. And I told you right down here, what does this look like to you, children? Yes, it's actually like a rectangle, right? So you can actually find something called the length of rectangle. Right, the length of rectangle is actually equal to what? Yes, you take the area 966 divide by smart. You're getting it. Very good. 21. All right. How come? Because area of rectangle is given as length times breadth, right? All right. So if you know the area, you divide by the breadth, you can actually find the length. That is the beauty of mathematics. 46 cm is over here. Hey, what's the question? You're looking for what? You're looking for PS. All right. You're looking for PS. Where's PS? PS is up here. All right. This is PS, huh? Correct now. This is PS. Looking for the green. Correct. And this portion, the question gives you as a 12. Thank you, teacher. And this portion, the blue, is a 21 cm, right? You found from part A. Oh, very simple. You can easily go and find PS already. Right? PS is equal to 46, which is the whole length of the rectangle, less out the given 12. Less out the part A answer, 21. And drum roll, please, children. Ting! Answer will be 13 centimeter. Yes. So that is how you get the answers for part A and part B. Is that cool? All right. So children, remember for this type of question, you must try to, number 1, look out for the clue. All right. So the clue is always at the overlap portion. All right. You must be able to find out certain clues linking the first trapezium to the third trapezium. All right. This is like the first trapezium. This is like the third trapezium. So once you can find the link, right, you'll be able to try to break it down. All right. So one black can be broken down into one blue and one orange. Can you see that? So all the black will be broken down to blue and orange. All right. So blue is the common thing. All right. It's the thing that you're looking for part A. It will make things very simple. Can you see that, children? All right. So remember to spot the clue. All right. That's why when I talk about this portion here, the overlap portion, all right, I know that something is over there already. All right. A clue that is linking the first trapezium to the third trapezium is there. So that is the clue. Can? All right. So children, once your part A is done, it will be used to do your part B. All right. So A and B are related. That's how you actually secure about 4 marks from this question. Cool. All right. So I really hope that you can understand this type of question. All right. Overlappings, shapes, angles. All right. They are becoming very popular. All right. So I'm not surprised that in 2024, we'll be facing something similar like this all over again. So children, get ready, get yourself ready, and continue to learn from Burn.